try to continue the same thing. Screen is visible to everyone? Is it shared?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Just a moment. So we'll continue with your little bit problems based on your circuit design on Millet and More. So I think in the last class we were started. I think I solved one problem based on your Millet. So we'll just continue further. So is this paint is visible? That question number 1 is visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So this problem is done already or not for other section?
No.
Okay, fine. So then we'll proceed. So just make a note of the question number 1, everyone. Question number 1. So I think it's visible, right? So sequential circuit, they've asked you with 2 flip-flops. And what type of flip-flop they've asked you to design? What is the meaning of 2D? 2DFF means what? Good. So you need to design a sequential with 2 D flip-flops. One they are designated name as A, that is D flip-flop A. Similarly, D flip-flop B, and they are given corresponding input as X, and white output is given, and they are given the next state equation, output equation in the question itself. So this is one more type of question what you can expect for 10 to 12 marks. So question which involves your equation. So from that they ask you to get the logic diagram. So you need to derive a stable state as well as a state diagram. Okay, so you can look at the equations what is there. So what is the meaning of A of t plus 1? Nothing but your next state. So you can designate this A of t plus 1 equals to Ax plus, just a minute. Yeah, am I audible here?
Yes, sir.
Audible? Yeah, okay, fine. So they are given us equations of next state as well as output. So from this we are supposed to design a logic diagram as well as a state table as well as state diagram. Okay, so the thing what is given is A of t plus 1. So it means the next state. So I can designate this A of t plus 1 itself as my what? D flip-flop input. Okay, so similarly one more you have, right? You have 2 flip-flop out of which D flip-flop A is what first equation, and second equation is that B of t plus 1. So output is also mentioned. Our agenda is clear. We need to write a logic diagram first. So just make a note of the equations first. So let me come back. So note on the questions here. Equations barkondrappa. Is it done? You just write on the equations. That's enough. So using D flip-flop, you have to realize. So we'll go ahead how to do with that so that I can go to the board. Shall I? Shall I?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just
Yes.
come back to the board now. So your board is visible? Is it visible in board?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. What are the things they are given? Just my voice is breaking here. See, whenever in network issue, if it is breaking, I just want you to tell me. Voice is audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
what are the three equations they gave for you? So three equations. Let me mark here. So they're given a of t plus 1. So this is equals to ax plus bx. Okay. So similarly, b of t plus 1 is given with a bar x, and last output is also given as a plus b into x dash. So these are three equations what they are given for you. So from this they ask you to generate a logic diagram. From the logic diagram you need to get what? The state table. So we'll go one by one. So what is asked, that will mention. So what type of flip-flop they ask you to design?
D.
So is it visible what I'm writing here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now we need to design this using a two flip-flop. That is your D flip-flop. Okay. So they're given D flip-flop A and D flip-flop B. So for that corresponding equations are given. Whenever you find A of t plus 1, so this itself indicates your DA and B DB. So now we need to build a logic diagram which involves this equation, and you can write one separate logic diagram for the output. Okay. So this is what the first thing you should make sure. So we'll go one by one. So how many flip-flops you want? So you want two flip-flops. So let me mark the first one. Say condition number 1 is I am going to plot logic diagram. That is what the first thing they have asked. Clear? So mark. Okay, let me give sufficient space because I need to implement the equation also. So let me give this as D flip-flop A. So this is an input. So common clock will be given, and similarly we'll be having DB. So this is your DB. Again common clock. I can provide combination of this as a clock. Is it visible what I'm writing or not? Visible here? Everyone, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is the thing I have made? This is the given question. So from this we got to know what is DA, DB. So D flip-flop is what they are given. I just made a alignment of flip-flop 1 and flip-flop 2. So now tell me to connect DA, what all things you want? So I want AX plus BX. So how many inputs you have there? AX plus BX. How many inputs you have?
3, sir.
3 inputs. Good. So out of 3 inputs, which is a common input for both?
X.
X.
X. Say I can write this equation how here. So I can take X common, I can make it as A plus B also. Correct? Or I can give a common input for both AND gates, and I can short also. So both are possible. Correct? So we'll go AX plus BX. So what is the thing I want? Which gate you want now? A into X means?
And.
Good. So AND gate. So is it visible if I write here? Just look at the board. Is it visible? So I'm giving A input, and similarly I want one more AND gate, and I will designate as B, and I'm going to short both other input of AND gate. I'm going to give a common input called X. Is it done? Can I mark like this? Yes or no here?
Yes.
So from the first AND gate output, you're going to get what? A into X, and from second, B into X. So this two combination, what it tells? It tells plus. Plus means which gate?
OR gate. OR gate.
OR gate. So I'm going to connect this two combination to OR gate. So what is the output? That will be fed as input. Any doubts? Anyone with the marcation of the first category what I wrote? Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes.
So now DA category is done. So logic diagram for DA part is done. So look at the DB. So DB tells A bar X. So what is the meaning of A bar X? Is it A dash?
A not
Just a minute.
X.
Yeah, A dash X. So what is the thing I should get? A dash, how to get A dash now?
Complement.
Not gate.
You need to give NOT gate. See, we know that two inputs are there. So before giving this combination to AND gate, I need a logic where A is fed to my NOT gate to get A bar. So then these two combinations are given to which gate here? AND gate. From that, I can get my DB also. So is it A bar X? Is it A bar X? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So what are the outputs for each D flip-flop? It's a QA and a QA bar. Similarly, QB and QB bar. Okay now. So we have finished the input state equations for the given design. Any doubts? Anyone? See, this is one more type of problem what you can expect in your sequential design where they will give the input equation and output equation. From that, they will ask you to get the logic diagram, state table as well as state table and state diagram. Okay now. So any doubts anyone with the first category? So am I clear how to write DA and DB here? Is it fine? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Any doubts, anyone? Shall I proceed here? Is it fine?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So now input category is done. So now we have to go with my output category. So output category A plus B, that combination should be given to AND operation, and again that should be given to your X bar. Correct? So now to plot output, you can use a diagram below this, not a problem. Okay. Any of its output part, right? So you want A and B. So A and B should be given to which gate here?
Or
Or gate.
Good. OR gate. So you can connect here A, B connected to one OR gate. So this combination I am going to get A plus B. And it says X bar. So how to get X bar now? From the input X, I need to connect one NOT gate. So I'm going to get X bar, that is AB, A plus B. So combination should be given to which gate?
And
So that is your output Y. So this is how you need to draw any logic diagram, whatever the equations are given in the question. See, so D flip-flop there was corresponding DA, DB was given in terms of T of A plus B, B of T plus 1. I just designated that in the logic diagram. This is the complete part will complete your first part what asked in the problem. Am I clear? Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just make a note. Yeah. Any doubts, anyone? Shall we proceed?
yes, sir.
Yeah. So just make a note of a diagram. So what is the next thing you want? You need to plot a state table. So to plot a state table, so you can, if see they are already given the equations for you. If you want, you can do verification also using K-map, or straight away you can go to the state table category. So what is the state table tells? So logic diagram is done. What is the meaning of state table here? What is the meaning of state table? Anyone?
It contains previous state and next state.
Good. So which
Okay.
contains present state as well as a previous state. So now they told you that you need to make use of 2 flip-flops. So can anyone tell me, if you have 2 flip-flops, how many present state you can expect?
2.
4.
Present states. States are 4. Flip-flops are 2. Correct? So if 2 flip-flops, if it is only 1 flip-flop, we can tell 2 states. If 2 flip-flops are there means, so I hope everyone remember the formula, right? 2 power x equals to y. So x indicates what? Y indicates what? 2 power x. And if you have a formula right at the beginning,
Number of
so
flip-flops.
number of flip-flops. So I think you remember this formula, right? 2 power x equals to y. So this indicates what? And this indicates what?
X is number of flip-flops and Y is number of states.
So if you take x as number of flip-flops, so 2 square, so you got number of states as 4. Very good. So I hope you remember this, right, everyone? So the same thing we are trying to complement here. Here we don't know how many states means, you just remember this formula. 2 power x, how many flip-flops are given? Just apply this formula, you will come to know what is the number of states you want to know, right? So any doubts, anyone? To count the number of states still? Is it fine here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now proceed. What is the table? How to go? See, this itself is your A plus and B plus. So whatever A of t plus 1 is there, that indicates your next state. Similarly, this is for B, next state. So you can represent as A plus and B plus as your next state. So what is the present state now? So what should be the table? So I hope you remember step 2. So step 2. So I need to find a state table. So state table is what I want. So what is the thing you require here? You read a column with a present state. So in this present state, what all things you have? Inputs. How many inputs you have here?
3.
A, B, and we can designate the combination 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So what about next state? So next state you will get 2 categories, right? One x equal to 0 and one x equals to 1. Is it fine till here? Any doubts, anyone? Any doubts, anyone? Am I clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this again you will get 2 states, right? So for x category, present state, A plus also, B plus also. Similarly, for x equals to 1 input, present state, next state A plus and B plus. So you have to get 2 combination now for each states. Okay now? So this is what the truth table, and last column is what here? Output part in draw. So is it your output part? Again output split to 2 category, x equal to 0, x equals to 1. And you can write y as your output. So what is the expression you got? A plus B into x bar. So you can incorporate this. So alignment of table, any doubts, anyone? How we have made the alignment? So present state, how many inputs you have? In next state, you will get combination of input x equal to 0. What is the next state? Similarly, x equals to 1. What is the next state? Now, how to fill this table? How to get my A plus? How to get that?
By substituting values in the given equation, sir.
Good. See, earlier problem what we have solved, this was not given. They would have given you a state diagram or a logic diagram or a state table, anything. So from that we used to calculate, but in this they themselves given the equation, right? So earlier we used to write this equation, then we used to dump this. Now they only given, so you just need to dump what? I already told you, A of t plus 1, nothing but A plus. So this is what I want to calculate. So you know what is the inputs for A and B, and you should take x at 2 condition. So 1, x equal to 0. So substitute the present state A as 0, B as 0 and x as 0. What's the input here? Sorry, what is the output of next state? What is A plus now?
0.
0. Good. Similarly B plus, so this is your B plus. So A, see A is 0, A complement is 1, but X is 0. So it means A obviously has to be 0. Agree? Understanding here, just you need to substitute the input in that particular equation. That's all. Okay, next answer. 0, 1 for X equal to 0.
0.
0.
A plus is 0, B plus
0.
0. Okay, next. 1, 0.
0 only. 0.
So both are 0, Napa.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Last combination, 1, 1.
0, 0.
So for X equal to 0, you are going to get all the next state as 0 because the input is 0. Since we are dealing with AND gate, obviously if any one input is 0, automatically output will be 0. Am I clear? So if anybody have doubts till here, you can ask me here. Is it fine? So shall I proceed the next one? Same category. You should consider for X equals to 1. So equations are same. So this is your A plus equation. So now input A is 0 means automatically if X is 1 or not, it is 0 only. Similarly here also 0. So what is the first answer now for A plus? Is it 0? Check out what will happen for B plus now. Input A is 0, but then since it's a complement, it becomes 1. And input
1,
of X
1,
also
sir.
1. So 1 into 1 will get answer as 1.
1.
So for B plus, I am going to get 1. Any doubts, anyone with this concept? Am I clear? So same way, proceed with the next one. For 0, 1 category, what is the next state answer? I want to substitute. Yes. Substitute 0, 1. How much? Next state answer.
1.
A plus is 1. What about B plus?
1, sir.
A is 0, become 1. A plus and B plus both are 1 here. Anybody have doubt how to get this? If on, let me explain A plus once more. So A plus, A value is 0 here. But see here, A value is 0 and X is 1. So this becomes 0 plus B is 1, X is 1. So it's 0 plus 1. Since it is an OR gate, 0 plus 1 is 1. So is it fine with this next state, everyone, for 0, 1 combination? Any doubts? So can tell them the remaining table now. So for 1 combination, for 1, 0, 1, 0, what is A plus and A B plus answer?
1, 0.
1, 0.
1, 0. Good. Last one, 1, 1.
1, 0.
1, 0.
Good. So any doubts, anyone with this, how to get the things what we just now wrote? I hope everyone got the things. See, nothing we are doing. Whatever equation is given, we are just dumping the inputs there. Okay. So now, same way, what you should do now? You should substitute the values in the what? Output category. So again, you have to get X equal to 0 as one output, X equals to 1 as one output. Yes? Answer? Answer substituting 0, 0. What is the output at 0, 0?
0.
0.
0. Next, you fill first one column X equal to 0, then you'll go with X equal to 1. Next,
1.
1.
1. Next,
1.
next,
1.
1. Good. What about X equals to 1 output?
All zeros.
All
All zeros. So since your X bar is there, so it is going to get complement. So obviously everything will become 0. So any doubts, anyone with this filling of state table here? Is it fine to everyone? Shall we proceed? Everyone, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is next step here? You need to have what? You need to, what you should have? You should have excitation table. Yes or no?
Yes,
How
sir.
to plot excitation table, we told you. So you need to designate the given binaries in terms of variables. Correct now? So variables, how many combinations you have? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So to plot excitation table, so let me have a variables A, B, C, D. Okay. So if you mark A, B, C, D in this state table, so then excitation will be easier for you to plot a state diagram. If you want to plot a state diagram, excitation table will tell you what exactly you're supposed to draw. Okay now? So now you just need to make sure that present state should not be like 0, 0, 1 combination. It should be like A, B, C. Am I clear? So that it will be easy for you to plot. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, so let's make a step 3. So step 3, excitations table. So in that you make a column present state. So present state AB is there. So but I am not going to designate 0, 0, 0, 1. I will designate as A, B, C and D. So what will happen for my next state? So in this next state, you have again 2 categories. Sainappa. So 2 categories, one for x equal to 0 and one more for x equals to 1. So in this you can take A plus B plus combination, again A plus B plus combination. So now tell me 0, 0 means what I should put here?
A.
Good. A. If it is next 0, 0 again A. So I think complete column is of A only because 0, 0,
Yes, sir.
0, 0. Serena, am I clear here?
Yes, sir.
Look at this. Tell me now. So 0, 1 means which state now? 0,
B.
1 is
B.
B. So I should write B here. Next. 1, 1
B.
is there.
B.
E. Good. Next.
C.
C. Next.
C.
Artha ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So same way you have to finish off this with output also. So output part, again same thing, x equal to 0, x equals to 1. Yeah. So look at the table and tell me. So look at the table and tell me. What is should write now?
The output will remain the same, sir.
Good. You should not write the variables. See, if you write the variables, how you can write common sense? Is it possible to write for single? Is it 0, 1? Can you write any binary in terms of variable? You're not supposed to write. So you need to retain the output as it is. Very good. So it's 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So am I clear till here to everyone? So is it visible here what I'm writing?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, is it visible? Okay. So you got the procedure now. So from the state table, what we did to plot a state diagram, if you have a excitations table, so that tells you clearly how the connection should be made, then it will be easy for you to solve the problem. Okay, na? So now we'll go with the last one. See, the first category they've asked is a logic diagram, which we already wrote. Then they asked state table. So in that, we wrote both because we need to get the list table to plot a state diagram. So what is left out now? The last one. The last one. So in the question they asked 3 category. So last one is I should plot what here? State diagram. Good. So we'll stick on to the procedure now. So last step, state diagram. So to plot state diagram, what you should do? You need to align. What you will align? You need to align your state variables. How many variables you have?
4.
4 variables. So designate the 4 variables A, B. Let's mark first, then we will see how the connection takes place. Okay. So randomly I'll put So I don't know which connection goes to which one. So now according to your excitation table, we'll try to plot. Okay. So now at A, present state is A. So if input is 0, I am in which state? I am in present state only. Yes or no? So what is the meaning of that? Is it called itself? So can I designate this with arrow mark like this, itself? So what is the thing I should mark? What is the first input here? 0.
0.
What is the corresponding output?
0.
0. So what is this indicates? I hope you got right. So first 0 indicates the input, second 0 indicates the output. So we are finished for A. Similarly, for x equals to 1, present state is A. What is the next state for x equals to 1?
B. B.
So it means what? I should connect A to B with the arrow mark direction towards what? So what was the input? 1. What is the output for that?
0.
Is it fine till here?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So go with next. So go with B. So I am in B state means I should be in this state. So for input x equals to 0. X equals to 0. What is the next state it tells?
A.
A. So means
Yeah.
what? From here I need to plot one more with arrow mark going in. Input is 0. What is the output here?
1.
1.
1.
1. So you should be very careful while marking the things in a state diagram. So try to write step by step so that you should not make any mistakes. So now B for x equal to 0, it went for A, good. So now for B equals 1. So it goes to which state now?
D. D.
D. So I wrote D here. So I can connect one connection from B to A, indicate the arrow mark. So for input 1, what's the output here?
0. 0.
0. So we are finished plotting A and B. So come to C. So for C, which is the present state, C is there. Next state in a palm.
A.
A. So C is here, present state. So for input 0, arrow mark goes like this. So for input 0, what is the output?
1. 1.
1. Good. Next, for x equals to 1, it is in which state now?
Itself.
Itself. It means I need to draw itself now. What's the input? Input is 1. What is the output here?
0. 1. Sorry, 0.
Output is 0. Okay, na? Input is 1, output is 0. Fine. Last category, I am at D. So D to A is next state. So for input 0, I should go from D to A with arrow mark pointing there. And it says input is 0. What's the output here?
1.
1. So last D to C. So if input is 1, what is the output?
0.
Anything left out?
No, sir.
See, this is a way you need to write a state diagram. See, earlier they used to give this for you from that reverse engineering. Okay. So, or they make you the logic diagram what we plotted. So, in this particular problem, we have found logic diagram also. We have found a state diagram also. So, any doubts, anyone? If you get such kind of problem, we can solve now, right? Is it fine here?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, good. So if anybody have doubts, you can ask. Otherwise, let me go with the next one. So I think I showed you one more question earlier. I'll just go back. Just look at the question once. Question number 2 is visible here. So is this type of problem done for you, other class section people?
Yes, sir.
Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So then let me explain for C section people. So now I want answers from B section people. So diagram, just make a note here. I think it's visible. So diagram is visible here. C section people,
Yes,
just
sir.
make a note of the diagram. So which flip-flop they are given now?
JK.
JK. See, at a time I can't share the screen as well as the board. So you just make a question note so that you can go to the board. And I want you to explain how it works now. Just make a note of the question here. So from the question, we'll try to write the things one by one. So now I want answers from each steps from the other section people. Okay. So that it will be like revision also and recollect what all steps you have done. So what all things you're supposed to calculate? The question says you have to construct a transition table, state table, and state diagram. So is this problem done for Milne or More here?
More, sir.
Okay, good. So we'll try to implement both the logics. See, anyhow, finding your state table, excitation table remains same. Only the alignment will remains different. Kata. Everyone. So we'll try to incorporate using More now. So same diagram we'll try to implement using Milne also. Question mark. Construct a state. Yeah, I'm audible here. Is it audible?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Just a second. Now is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, let me share back the screen, the question. See, the question was, I'm telling right, you just make a note of the question. So you need to construct a transition table, state table, and state diagram for More sequential circuit. For the More sequential circuit. So now we used to do earlier Milne, right? So same way they have asked More. I hope everyone got the difference between Milne and More. How to designate the state diagram. Okay. So question is visible. So we just make note of the question. So we'll try to write the equations first. So my voice is audible, right? So let me write the equations for this given diagram so that you can control the screen. Yeah. So from the question, you can look at how many flip-flops you have.
2,
2 flip-flops. So how many states you will get now?
4,
4
Four.
states. Good. So now they are given which flip-flop?
JK.
JK. So what is the first thing you need to write? You need to make a note of input equations and output equation.
Output
Correct?
equation.
So from the circuit, can you tell me what is the output equation here? So output is F, correct, Nruppa? So F is connected to what gates? So what type of gate it is connected to?
XR.
XR. So now for this XR, how many inputs are connecting? How many inputs are connecting for XR?
XRB.
So A is coming, correct? You can see at the screen, I am just marking here. So A is coming and B is coming. So what I should do? I need to provide XR gate for my input A and B. So equation becomes A XR B. Is it fine till there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now tell me what is the input for my JA? See, I need to find inputs means I should find JA, KA, similarly JB, KB. Two flip-flops are there. So I need to write individual flip-flop input equation. So what is JA equals to?
B.
Where is JA? JA is here, right? So look at what input is coming for JA. Is it B connection? So I hope you can see the cursor what I'm showing here. Is it correct here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can I call my JA as B? Okay. So what about JB? I mean KA. So we'll write
X
for one
bar.
first. We will write for one flip flop. KA ಏನಪ್ಪ?
X bar B.
So KA it's here, right? KA is here. So for this, you can see here, input is coming from X as
XRB.
X bar, and one input is from what?
B.
B Elvin Raw.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If you trace back, you'll come to it's B. So what is the equation for your KA now?
X bar B.
Good. X bar B. So same way, can tell me for JB and KB. What is JB equation?
X bar.
X bar.
X bar.
So you can see J is here, JB is here. So for this connection is from X bar. So I can write JB as X bar. Good. What about KB?
X
A X.
Yeah,
KB is
sir.
here. KB
X
is
bar.
Alappa.
A
So I
X
am
or
connecting
B.
with which gate? This is called as XOR gate Alappa. So
Yes, sir.
one is from X and one is from
A.
A. So what is the input now?
A X or X.
So you can mention A XOR B or A XOR X or A X XOR A. Both are same. Serena,
Okay, sir.
is it fine till here, everyone? So writing the equation is what I want, logic diagram. Now let me come back to the board. So is it visible what I wrote the equations? Is it visible here?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So now tell me the transition equations for which flip flop? Which flip flop? JK flip flop. So you need to transition equation for your JK flip flop. So what one we already got from JK? See, I already told you clearly, whenever you want to do any digital design in this topic, transition table of all the flip flops. If you know that, then only you can generate a transition table. I'm audible, my voice is audible here. Yeah, is it audible?
Sir, explain again.
You want me to repeat?
Yes, sir.
So you saw the diagram here. From the diagram, how to write the equation? Is it fine? You want me to explain that also once more?
No, sir.
So after diagram, it's fine, huh? So from the
Yes.
diagram we wrote output equation and input equations. Okay. So after this, we want you to plot a what? Transition table. So I hope everyone remember transition table for JK. You should have a state table. So state table. Do you remember the truth table of JK or not? So for 1-1 condition, what is the output here? For 1-1 condition, what is the output? You used to get toggle, right? Do you remember the transition table or not? See, if you don't know the table, you can't write the equation here. If you write the equation, then remaining it just substitution, that's all. So I hope you remember that there was a table called as transition table. Can anyone tell me what is the transition table? So okay, just let me show that once. Let me recollect all the things for you people once more. So is it visible here? Screen can't be wrong.
Yes,
Everyone?
sir.
Okay, just look at there. I'm just scrolling down your tables. See, you can look at the tables, then you can judge yourself. So this is a table for your SR flip-flop. Is it visible? So you can make out the truth table. So if it is 0, 0, then it says no change. It means what was there in the previous, that will be replicant. So we know that Qn is a present state, Qn plus 1 is a next state. So for that we wrote Qn. If it is 1, 0 set, if it is 0, 1 reset, if it is 1, 1 state, it goes to high impedance state. So that is what the disadvantage of SR flip-flop. And you can look at the corresponding excitation table. So Qn, present state, n plus 1, and S is what, R is what. Table can't see up go. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So same way we have a table for each flip-flop. So same way, let me scroll your JK also. This is what I'm asking for you. See, if you know this table, then from this we just need to write the equation. That's it. Yeah. Look at the table now, truth table. So again 0, 0 means it's remains same. Qn kata, previous no change. So 0, 1 again 0, 1, 0 again 1. So for 1, 1 condition, you will get Qn bar. It means if this Qn is 0, you'll get 1 here. It means it is toggling. Is it toggling here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now look at the excitation table and can you tell me what is the equation now? So where is the 1 here? So I think 1 is there for here. J equals to 1. I think it's visible. J equals to 1. Corresponding Qn is 0 and Qn plus is 1. So what you should do now? What you should do here? How to write the equation from this excitation table? Can you tell me what is the equation? What is your Q plus now? The next state. You tell me equation from that table.
Sir, J Q bar plus K bar Q.
J Q bar plus K bar Q napa.
Yes, sir.
So have you got this equation now, everyone? So is it from your excitations table? Yes or no? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
See, that's why I told you just have an aware about all the flip-flop transition tables. See here, this is what the thing we did previously, correct? So we wrote the equation right of D flip-flop. So depending upon the same way you have T also. So this 4 truth table along with a excitations table is very, very important. So make sure you have an idea about this. So if you know this, then remaining thing becomes easier. So after writing a state excitation equation, so can you tell me what is your present state and next state will become? So I actually want what here? I want A plus nothing but QA plus. So what I should do? What I should do? I just see this is your main equation, right? So for this main equation, I should substitute A once and similarly B once. So what is the equation now? JA QA bar plus KA bar QA. Sarendra? So for this, we already calculate the value here. If you look at the above equation, we already have the values. Can you tell me what is the values now? What is JA equals to? What is the value of JA? B. Sarena, what is QA bar? That remains QA bar only. Don't change anything. Correct, Andrapa? Am I clear? So just substitute what things you know. What about KA bar? So we know only KA, but KA bar is there. How it becomes? It is like X bar B whole bar into QA. So which theorem you are going to apply here? I hope you know, remember the concept of this. AB bar whole bar and A bar plus B bar. Which theorem is called as?
De Morgan's theorem.
Very good. So De Morgan's theorem. If you remember that, De Morgan's theorem states A bar B bar can be written as A bar plus B bar. Sarendra? Kartapa? So from this logic, so now what is A? A is X. So A is X naught, X bar is there. So it becomes like this. X bar whole bar plus B bar. So what will happen for the complement? Will it get cancelled? Will it get cancelled?
Complement get cancelled.
So this cancel, right? So this to get cancelled, left out is X plus B bar. So this value you can dump in this place. So from this I can write A plus or QA plus is equal to B into QA bar plus, so this complete term you can replace with this X plus B whole bar into QA. Any doubts? Anyone to write this equation? Am I clear? Am I clear here, everyone? Is it audible here? Is it audible, everyone?
Sir.
Yes.
Okay. So same way I want for next also. That is your QB state. So I want B plus nothing but QB plus. Yeah. So what is your equation? You just make it as JB QB bar plus KB QB. Tell me the values now. What is JB equals to? X bar QB. What is KA? It says X XR A into QB. So we got the next state equations. Am I clear? Am I clear till here to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now from here you can proceed, right? See, I have found you the equations for A plus and B plus. That is what your next state. Correct? So present state, you're going to name the combinations how much? 4 Alvendra, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So for this, next state will be at two condition. One is X equal to 0. For X equal to 0, what is your A plus and B plus? So inputs are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Substitute this input in this equation and corresponding X as 0. Do you can get A plus and B plus or not? Everyone, am I clear? Is it fine here? So similarly, for X equals to 1, again you can find A plus and B plus. See the formulas what we found. This is helpful for you to fill the state table. So from that corresponding output equation also there with you. Correct? So can you find or not? Everyone. So output equation what you should do? You need to perform XOR operation for the input 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Can you perform from here onwards now? Everyone, is it fine? Will you do? I think B section people, they already done. What about C section? Understood or not here?
Yes, sir.
So if you know the equation, see getting equation itself is a task now. We finish half of the thing. So from that equation, you just mention the final equation, right? Dump the values and get the answer. Matira. So whatever equation I wrote, it is A plus and B plus. So just dump the values and get the answer. Will you? Will you proceed and complete up this problem? Yes or no? Yeah. No answers from C section people. Is it fine? Will you complete from here onwards?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
You just try. If you get doubt, let me know. So we'll explain once more. Not a problem. Okay. So before stopping the class, I just want one